Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my channel, my fashion studio. So friends, I hope you all are fine. Today I'm here to discuss such a very attractive and a very different ideas for you, and the ideas is of your home decoration. As you can see that it's a new video of my channel and a very attractive and a very different video, so please don't skip this new fashion video. In this video you can see such different ideas for your home decor. So as you can see that in this video you can see such different designs of sofas and couches, and also many other different types of bedsheets and your living room ideas. So friends, please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my old videos. Don't skip this new fashion video. It's a very attractive and a very different video, so please guys keep watching my video till the end. In the end you can see such a very attractive combination and a very attractive decor ideas also. So as you can see that it's a very beautiful and a very different collection. So the collection is of sofas, couches, and also your beds and your bedsheets also. So as I've told you that in the end you can see very much suspense. So please guys subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my old videos. And guys, if you want to see any other fashion video, like any type of fashion decor ideas or any type of decoration of your living room, lounge, and also your bedroom ideas or your home decoration, so you can tell me in the comment box. I don't have any issue. So please guys keep subscribing, keep liking, keep sharing my all videos. And guys, thank you so much for your love and for your support also. And I hope that you are interested and you are enjoying this video also. So guys, if you want to see any other fashion video, like any type of fashion jewelry, accessory, or any type of fashion ideatic video, so you can tell me in the comment box. So inshallah next time I'll bring the exact fashion for you, and I hope that you like that fashion too. So don't miss this new fashion video. Keep watching my video till the end, and thank you so much for your love and for your support also. And if you want to see any other fashion ideatic video, as I've told you before, so you can tell me in the comment box. So don't have any issue, and please, it's a request that please tell me in the comment box if you are interested or not. And if you want to see any other fashion video, you can tell me. So guys, take care of yourself and your family also, and remember me in your special and beautiful prayers as well. And please guys, as you can see that in the end you can see such different ideas of your bedrooms, of your couches and sofa beds also. So guys, I hope that you are interested and you are enjoying this beautiful video. So guys, my video almost has been ended. Take care of yourself and your family also, and remember me in your beautiful and special prayers also. Allah Hafiz. Take care of your family and take care of yourself as well, and please obey your parents and elders also if you want a successful and a very beautiful life.